people live in, and that's Khrushchev School right in front. You're going to a school. Well, there's ground level, basically the ground. There's another level, and two. It's basically 3 stories, 3 levels. There's a small park over there where like we can play. Not as big as like the park nearby the family. It's good. So I'd say in terms of walking, Edmondson Park would be better because it's a lot better and it has more pathways and options. Oh yeah, that's like enrollment for next year, like kindy enrollment for next year.
Park Public School is a modern primary school located at the corner of Buchan Avenue and Faulkner Way, in the growing suburb of Edmondson Park, southwest Sydney. It is easily accessible by public transport, walking, and car, making it well connected to the local community. The school is a coeducational NSW. Public school is part of a developing education precinct with a new high school planned next door on Buchan Avenue. This will allow local students to attend school in the area from preschool through to year 12. The school opened at the start of Term 1, 2023. Construction began in October 2021, and all facilities were completed and fully operational by August 2023. Since opening, the school has focused on creating a supportive and inclusive learning environment where every student feels safe, valued, and ready to learn. Its goal is to build a strong, collaborative learning community and help students thrive both academically and personally. Designed to meet the needs of a growing population, the school can accommodate up to 1,000 students and includes 40 preschool places operated by Liverpool City Council. The campus features modern facilities, including 44 learning spaces, 4 support classrooms, 2 preschool rooms, a library, a school hall, a covered outdoor learning area, administration and staff facilities, landscaped recreation areas, and games courts. These flexible learning spaces support contemporary teaching methods and cater to a wide range of student needs. The school's logo reflects its values and community. It features a waratah, symbolizing beauty, service, and diversity. The many flowers that form the waratah bloom represent the diverse cultures within the school community. An Aboriginal star is also included to symbolize partnerships with families, respect for students' stories, and a commitment to excellence in learning and teaching. Edmondson Park Public School is part of the NSW government's major school building program and serves as an example of modern, purpose-built education facilities designed for growing communities.
Edmondson Park Railway Station is at the heart of one of Sydney's fastest-growing communities. It's more than just a place to catch a train, it's a symbol of change, connection, and a suburb still finding its full voice. Not long ago, the land around Edmondson Park was open paddocks and quiet farmland, part of the vast Cumberland Plain in Sydney's southwest. Edmondson Park Station opened with it, instantly becoming the heart of a suburb that had been waiting for its moment. Construction started in March 2012
years of planning,
and finished in September
community
2014, and government investment. The South West Rail Link is the main public transport project for Sydney's Southwest Growth Centre, and Edmondson Park Station is its anchor. It sits 45.4 kilometers from Central Station and is served by the T2 Leppington and Inner West Line and the T5 Cumberland Line. Edmondson Park Precinct is expected to eventually have between 7,500 and 8,000 homes spread across about 800 hectares as trains arrive and leave throughout the day early in the gray morning light, and again in the golden hour of the evening commute. Edmondson Park Station keeps doing what great public infrastructure always does. It quietly, reliably makes life a little easier for the people who depend on it.